Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy Windows tip that's going to save you time and clicks. The video title is, How to Put Control Panel on Desktop Windows, 2025, and if you're using the latest Windows update, this is perfect for you. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned user, having quick access to the control panel can make managing your settings a breeze. So, let's jump right in. First off, why bother putting the control panel on your desktop? It's simple. It gives you one-click access to all those essential tools for tweaking your system, like adjusting hardware, managing programs, or fixing network issues. Now, for Windows 2025, the process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to ensure you don't miss a thing. Step 1. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. This brings up a context menu with various options. Go ahead and select New from the list, then choose Shortcut. This will open a dialog box where you can create a new shortcut. Step 2. In the Create Shortcut window, you'll need to type in the location of the item you want to link to. For the control panel, enter Control and hit Next. This command directly opens the control panel in Windows. Step 3. Now, give your shortcut a name. Something clear like Control Panel works great. Click Finish, and voila, a new icon should appear on your desktop. If you want to customize it further, right-click the new shortcut, select Properties, and you can change the icon or add a keyboard shortcut for even faster access. That's it. You've just added the control panel to your desktop in Windows 2025. Remember, this tip works best on the latest Windows builds, so make sure your system is up to date. If you run into any issues, double-check your permissions or search for updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.